So a subscriber asked me, how do you figure out the fraction that's exactly halfway between 5/8 and 3/4? And there's a few ways you could do it. Probably the easiest way, in my mind, is to take and get these numbers here to be the same, then we can compare the numerators. So why don't we just keep this as 5/8, and then 3/4, we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So now we have 5/8 and 6/8. So since the denominator is the same, we can ignore that. And halfway between would be 5.58, which is a little awkward, right? You probably don't want to have 5.58 there. So let's just double the numerator and the denominator. 5.5 times 2 is 11. 8 times 2 is 16. And now you can see halfway between 5/8 and 3/4, exactly halfway, is the fraction 11/16. Probably a few other ways you could do this. You could get these to be 16ths and then do the comparison, maybe not have the decimal, but it's pretty much the same thing. When you find the fraction halfway between 5/8 and 3/4, it will be 11/16, exactly halfway between. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.